Welcome back, everyone. So exciting day today. I can finally install XHP on my car. I know if you watched the last video, you could see that I had an issue actually connecting to the car, and I found out that was the actual cable. So I have a new cable in now, and I'm currently downloading the backup off the TCU before I can actually install all of the maps. So this is taking like 30 to 40 minutes. And then I'll install the flash license to the car. It takes another 30 minutes or so. And then after that, we're gonna go stage 3. I went for stage 3 versus the entire map pack, which had stage 1, 2, and 3. I just can't see myself using stage 1 or 2 that much, so I'm just gonna go for stage 3. But it's going right now. Alright, so we are currently flashing the license onto the car to be able to put stage 3 on. This takes about 15 minutes to 30 minutes, I guess. It's going there. I got the window down, door closed, and I've got the battery charger hooked up right there to save the battery. So this should be done in about, let's see here, 6 minutes or so. So it's going. And then once that's downloaded, we will be able to go over to stage 3. I cannot wait to feel the difference and let you guys know what I think. Alright, so good news, the XHP flash just finished up, so now I'm going to initiate the stage 3 flash. So we're going to start that off right now. We're going to go right in here, if you can see that. If it wants to focus, there we go. And I'm just going to go hit OK. And it might do something. Okay. There we go. Alright, we're moving along. Alright, and next time you see me, my car should be stage 3. Alright, so great news, the flash just completed. After I finished up XHP, I moved back over to MHD and reflashed for the XHP / manual transmission option on the tune. Be sure to do that if you have MHD, it is very important. But now, XHP recommends that I drive at least 50 miles gently before I actually start driving the car hard again. So I'm gonna have to go do that before I give you all my first initial impression. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Welcome back, everybody. So day 4 of having XHP installed on my car. I made it past the first initial adaptation period, which took me about 50 miles or so. That was the first 2 days. And I've really had 2 days to kind of get on the car and learn what it can actually do. There's a few cool features that I like a lot, such as little things like the gear display on the dashboard, no matter which mode you're in on the automatic transmission, as well as another little thing, just not starting off in second gear in the regular drive mode. Then we have the cooler things like the rev match while you're in sport mode when you downshift. That's really badass. It's amazing. Really just changes up everything, as well as the torque converter being locked up first, second, and third gear. Really just drives the power straight to the wheels. You can feel the difference. The car just feels more alive. It's amazing. Especially paired with MHD, it really just showcases how great the car can be, although I do need more power now because I am only stage 1, and with this tune, the car kind of just begs for it. So, gotta get this thing up to 400 horsepower at least. I did get beat by a Kia Stinger, the new one, yeah. Kia Stinger, I got beat by that. It was a twin turbo V6. Comes with more horsepower than my car does, and that thing's stock, so yeah, I gotta catch up to that. That's kind of sad. But I'll be going that direction. But for now, I figure we can get a few driving clips in. It's really entertaining just to see how quickly the RPM gauge moves now that the XHP is installed. It's just entertaining to watch. So yeah, let's get ripping a little bit. Alright, so as I was talking about before, it shows the gear that I'm in listed right there. That number will change as I start driving. We'll see here. Let's see. You can also see that it doesn't start off in second gear anymore in the standard drive mode. So yeah, we see there. Yeah, I think that's a really cool little feature. Let's get on here. I've already got it warmed up, so should be alright. Alright, now we will hit Sport. See, it switches over to S1 there. And then we're gonna go over here. We can probably kind of try to see how fast the gears, or the RPM gauge actually moves here. Woo. Nice and quick, I love it. And these little throttle blips on the downshifts there. Really just makes a huge difference on driving the car. It just makes it feel more like an M3. I'm sure y'all know that I really want an M3, so I think it's really badass. It's my baby M3. So anything I can do to get it closer to feeling like one, I'll do it, because I can't afford an M3 right now, so in the future, but we're getting there. But it's just a whole different car to drive now. It's amazing. I'll get a little gas over here really fast. Got the windows down so you can kind of try to hear it. Stupid glare. Woo! Damn, son. Sweet downshift here. We'll get some backfires. Very nice. Good stuff. Alright, so get another pull here with no more glare. I just switched directions. So let's see if I can get... Oh, there's a guy crossing the street. Excuse me, buddy. Not a good place for that. Alright, so... Alright, we're down here in third, and we're gonna go. Woo! Yeah! Flip that throttle. Yeah, nice. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's amazing. Ah, it's great. So overall, I think this has to be one of the best mods you can do for your 335. It's just amazing. Everyone online was not even close to explaining how great it was. I thought it was gonna improve the drivability a little bit, but in standard drive mode, it makes it way better. It's way more sharper. You can get some pretty decent acceleration out. Sport mode really just makes it a whole new car. So if you're on the edge about getting it, just go for it. I went stage 3, as I said earlier. I just wanted to get the best I could. I knew that if I went stage 2, I would regret it and want to go stage 3. So I went straight for stage 3. 0 regrets. The car just feels amazing. So 100% recommend. Do it. Only cost me about 200 bucks. Can't beat that at all. I really appreciate you checking out this video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to like, subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all social media. Hit me up if you have any questions or recommendations, anything like that. And I'll be sure to see you around the next video.